Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie D, to your favorite realtor, coming at you with a little market update, all in Valentine's colors, pink and red, because we are pretty close to Valentine's Day. So, wanted to let you know where we are January of last year versus January this year, give you a little bit of a market update here. In Tarrant County in the year 2020, the average sales price in January was $275,000. That is up about $9,000 from last year. If we go county over county over county, I am looking at increases in every single one of them. Some of them as little as $2,000, some of them as much as $12,000. So, matter of fact, Collin County had like a $30,000 jump. So anyway, all this to say that prices are still going up. We still see rates really low, and so that's a really good thing. For buyers especially, well, and for sellers, because that means that there are buyers out there looking because they can, because the rates are low. Number of homes for sale, surprisingly enough, in 2020, that number is a little bit less than it was in 2019. We've got about 1,500 fewer homes for sale in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, excuse me. The days on market is still pretty steady. I think at one time we were at like 25 to 30 days. Now we're around 50 is kind of the average among the Metroplex. So really though, that's still not bad. It's still not bad. 50 days is not a long time to try to get your house sold. Number of closed sales, although we had fewer homes for sale, we did see more closings in January of this year versus last year. So that was up by about 500 houses. So once again, all good news. Home prices are going up. Days on market is still not a lengthy time. We don't have a ton of homes for sale, but we do have enough that we've got a higher number of closings. So this is all very good news. If you have questions about your property, if you have questions about your specific, what are you looking to do, buy, sell, rent, invest, whatever, let us know. We would love to help you. And we hope that we get to talk with you directly very soon. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.